Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can change the default browser on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 14 or iPad OS 14. If you no longer enjoy using Safari, take advantage of this tip to set other third-party browsers like Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your device. With that said, let's get going. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To begin with steps, launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now you have to scroll down and select Chrome or other third-party browsers that you have installed on your device. After that, you have to tap on Default Browser app. Finally, you have to choose the preferred browser and you are good to go. That's pretty much it. That's the way you can switch browser app on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 14 or later or iPad OS 14 or later. If you have found this guide helpful, like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such cool iOS hacks. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.